Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this page here of Snapchat and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. And here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for